Namaskar friends, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. In today's class we will be practicing Surya Bhedana Pranayama. So please roll out your mat and let's get started. Surya Bhedana Pranayama is practiced to awaken the subtle energy in the body. And this is a right nostril inhale pranayama. A few days ago, we practiced Chandra Bhedana, which is a left nostril breathing pranayama. In Chandra Bhedana, the purpose for or the intention to practice that pranayama is to bring a sense of coolness and calmness in the body. In Surya Bhedana, we bring a sense of focus and awareness in the body. So for this, we're going to bring ourselves in a seated position, any seated position that is comfortable for you. And then from there, we're going to keep the left hand in a Gyan Mudra. So we're going to close the index finger and bring the thumb together. So index finger and thumb connected. And with the right hand, we're going to do a Deer Mudra. So it's going to be the first two fingers folded, which is the index finger and the middle finger, keeping the thumb, ring finger, and pinky finger out. So let's begin by bringing the right hand closer to the nose. You're going to place the thumb and the ring finger right where the bony part of your nose ends. Okay? This is where you're going to keep it. Now, first, without putting the pressure through your fingers, just take a deep inhale through your nose and an easy exhale. And now close your left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale through the right. Then close your right nostril, exhale through left, releasing the ring finger off the nostril. Close the left nostril, inhale through right. Close the right nostril and exhale through left. Close the left nostril, inhale through right. Close the right nostril, exhale through left. Bring the hand down and just observe your breath. Take deep inhales through the nose and easy exhales through the nose. Observe the quality of your breath and also observe if you feel one nostril or one passage is more open than the other. Perhaps it's the right one or the left one. Just take a note of it. And we're going to go a little deeper with the practice. So we're going to take some pauses between our breaths. Okay? So again, back with that same mudra, you're going to close the first two fingers. Now closing the left nostril, inhale through right. Close the right nostril and pause for a bit. Then exhale through left. Without straining, it should be an easy exhale. Empty out. Close the left nostril, pause. Open the right nostril, inhale through right. Close the right nostril and pause. Open the left nostril and exhale gently. Complete exhale. Close the left nostril and pause. Hold the breath. Open the right nostril. Inhale. A full inhale, filling your lungs. Beautiful. Then again, close the right nostril and pause. Open the left nostril and easy exhale. Empty out completely. Close the left nostril. Hold the breath. Open the right nostril. Inhale. A deep inhale. Closing the right nostril. Hold the breath. Open the left nostril. Exhale. Empty out. One more we'll do together. Close the left nostril. Hold the breath. Open the right nostril. A big inhale. Again, close the right nostril. Hold. Open the left nostril. Empty. Exhale. Now release the hand and observe the breath. Observe the subtle energy in the body. Then allow your eyes to slowly open. Now that was Surya Bhedana. Hoping that this pranayam helps you to kick off your day with a positive note, with awareness and with focus. I will see you again in another video soon. Until then, stay well. Om Shanti.